As a proactive legislative arm that believes in the government of inclusion, the Lagos State House of Assembly, through its ad hoc committee on education, organized a one-day stakeholders meeting on the bill for a law to provide for the establishment of the Lagos State Teaching Service Commission for the control and management of teaching service matters in the state and for connected purposes. The bill seeks to provide for the establishment of the Lagos State Teaching Service Commission Board, consisting of 5 full-time members who will be appointed by the governor.
The bill on the Teaching Service Commission was initially at plenary committed to the committees on education and that of establishment, training and pensions and public service to look into. It is customary for us as a house to session with stakeholders and the public over an impending law and garner inputs from them. That is why we are all here today.
On his part, the majority leader of the House, Honorable Sanai Agubiade, made it known that the bill would repeal the Lagos State Post-Primary Teaching Service Law 2015.
The intent of the bill is to further strengthen educational institutions in Lagos State, particularly post-primary, take care of the welfare of teachers and ensure that we have sound education equipped to our children by ensuring that only those professionally qualified individuals that are registered as teachers in Lagos State will be able to teach in our schools.
Stakeholders took turn to comment on the bill.
I wish to say that the training of teachers can only be handled by the Commission in collaboration with the Ministry of Establishments and Training and Pensions Office, not the Ministry of Education. Because particularly the Ministry of Education is not empowered to train teachers.
If we have permanent members, a chairman and 4 other members, they can never be enough to take decisions and policies about our post-primary schools. The view of the teachers is that as we have permanent members, we can also have non-permanent members for purpose of meetings.
Section 24, the membership of the Personnel Management Board shall be as follows. It's been listed there, those who are supposed to be members. And I think normally the NUT and ANCOPS too are represented on the Personnel Management Board, at least to listen to what will go on concerning their members and colleagues.
When you go to any of our tertiary institutions in Lagos State, either in LASU or UNILAG or Federal College of Education or MOPED, every graduating student were being inducted before you can pass out. And we are doing this because so as to bring them into this profession.
The Deputy Speaker of the House, Honorable Wasiu Eshiloku-Soni, and the Chairman House Committee on Education, Honorable Lanre Ogunyemi, spoke on the essence of the bill and the stakeholders forum.
The ministry to district to generals that came to participate in this stakeholders meeting, we want to thank them, and we hope that at the end of the day, a very good bill that will take that will encapsulate all the various thoughts and will further strengthen the educational sector in Lagos State will be promulgated by this House of Assembly.
The beauty and the essence of public hearing and stakeholders meeting in the sector is for us to look at it together, judge and still see what areas we need to smoothen out. And that's precisely what we have done here today. I want to tell you that after this exercise, by the time we look at all the suggestions, by the time we look at all the observations, we will come out with a clean bill that will strengthen the teaching service in Lagos State.
It would be recalled that TESCOM was eradicated in 2005 and replaced with the 6 education districts across the state.